Hi. So do eating nut and nut products makes your kids gut sick, kind of having different issues like bloating, constipation or recurrent diarrhea? Then stop giving them nuts for a while, say for 2 weeks, and start journaling about how exactly the tummy is doing and how the poop is coming out. Then again, reintroduce those nuts into their food back after 2 weeks, and then again journal how exactly they're feeling better, which form of the nut make products make them feeling better. Or instead, for doing all this, try this. Actually, sprouting all the nuts and seeds and then fermenting them and having the products in your diet makes the gut much more easier to absorb them inside your body, okay? Because fermentation is not only help them to do the probiotic thing, but fermentation is the key of pre-digestion. Some of the nuts are much more difficult to sprout, like the bigger nuts, almond and so, but seeds are comparatively easier to sprout and then ferment. Like any kind of seeds, you can first sprout and then ferment and then dry and then use in various food products. Sprouting those seeds and nuts and then ferment them and then use in various food products, making your guts much more easier to metabolize them, to absorb them and to work further, because all those foods are already pre-digested by the healthy bacteria inside our guts, okay? That means body need not to do any extra effort for digestion or for metabolism for all those nut products, okay? That means it will make your kid's body much more easier to absorb all these high fiber containing things in nuts and seeds. So that's all for today, and please like and subscribe this channel if you want to learn more about the GAPS diet and how it may help your autistic kids gut health and brain development. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.